Have you ever felt like your days just blur together, like you're going through the motions but not truly feeling joy? Sometimes life gets busy, noisy, and overwhelming. But happiness doesn't always come from big achievements or fancy things. Often, it's the small habits we build daily that shape how we feel. So in this video, let's explore 6 simple, practical ways to feel genuinely happier every single day. These aren't magic solutions, but if you try them regularly, they can truly transform your mindset and your mood. Number 1. Start your day with gratitude. Instead of reaching for your phone right after waking up, take a moment to think of 3 things you're thankful for. They don't have to be big. Maybe it's your warm bed, the sunshine, or just the fact that you woke up today. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing to what's already present. This small act creates a ripple effect for the rest of your day. When you start on a thankful note, your heart feels lighter and your mind becomes more open to joy. Number 2. Move your body, even just a little. You don't have to hit the gym or do anything intense. Just take a short walk, stretch, or dance to your favorite music for 5 minutes. Movement releases feel-good chemicals like endorphins that lift your mood. And more than that, when you care for your body even in small ways, it sends a message to your brain that you matter, that you're worth taking care of. Daily movement also helps shake off stress and energize you for the day ahead. Number 3. Do one thing just for you. Set aside even 10 minutes a day to do something you truly enjoy. Maybe it's drawing, reading, baking, listening to music, or simply doing nothing. In a world that constantly asks us to be productive, this time becomes a quiet act of self-love. When you give yourself permission to enjoy something without guilt, your brain relaxes. You remember that life is not just about doing but about being, enjoying, and savoring. Number 4. Connect genuinely with someone. Send a kind message. Make a phone call. Smile at someone. We are wired for connection, and even brief moments of real contact can lift your spirit. You don't need deep conversations all the time, just a shared laugh, a warm hug, or a message that says "I'm thinking of you" can make a difference. Joy multiplies when it's shared, and connection reminds us that we're not alone in this world. Number 5. Limit the noise, digital and mental. Our phones and minds are full of distractions. Try taking small breaks from your screen. Maybe mute your notifications for an hour, or take a mini social media detox. Also, try calming your inner thoughts, maybe through deep breathing or writing them out. Too much noise blocks out the simple joys of life. When you give yourself space to just be, you begin to notice the beauty around you again. Number 6. End the day with kindness to yourself. As your day winds down, check in with yourself. Forgive your mistakes. Celebrate your efforts. Remind yourself that doing your best is enough. Say something kind to yourself in the mirror if you can. Happiness isn't just about what happens to you but how you treat yourself through it all. Ending your day with softness helps you rest better and prepares you to rise again with hope tomorrow. Happiness isn't far away. It lives in your little choices, in how you begin your morning, how you move, how you rest, and how you love yourself and others. These 6 simple habits might not change your whole life overnight, but they will slowly shift how you experience it. Try adding one at a time. And always remember, even on hard days, you deserve joy. Thanks for watching, and may your days feel a little lighter from now on.